Alright, so today we're going to be replacing these rusty brake discs and painting the calipers along with the front ones and replacing the brake pads with these Evolution Sport performance pads and these performance discs. We're not going to be doing the calipers, so we're going to paint though. That's more of a future project. Alright, here's a before and after. Before all rusty, and then the new ones. Alright, so we sanded down the brake caliper bracket. We're gonna spray paint it black to match the actual caliper. Alright, so it's now the next week. The front discs and pads showed up, so we're gonna install those and replace. The front brakes here aren't actually that rusty compared with the backs were, but we're still gonna replace them since we replaced the back and paint the caliper and the bracket, I think. This is what it'll probably look like in the end. Real nice and shiny. Looks nice. Okay, so we just need to grab a screw at McLendon's to put into there to get the brake discs off because they're kind of stuck in there. So let's run to McLendon's and get those. Alright, so we've painted the caliper and the bracket in a glossy black to match the rear brakes. So it will look like that. So far, going pretty well.